right now behind me is the most insane Bugatti Veyron I've ever seen. It's all carbon fiber wrap or body, I don't know, including the engine. A diamond logo, diamond V logo right here. And it's absolutely insane. Modified by Mansory exhaust, glossy black exhaust tips. And this car is having some attention right now. And it looks absolutely insane. Beautiful black wheels with Bugatti carbon ceramic brakes and black calipers with white Bugatti written on it. There are also these insane daytime running lights running through the van right here, and also through the main grille over here, and then again on the other side. Here is the diamond Bugatti logo on the front. This car looks absolutely insane. Let's take a quick look into the interior, and as you can see, interior is all white with black stitches, black details, black logos, and the same pattern that's outside is actually inside as well, instead of carbon fiber. And if you look closely, you can see that there is actually a diamond clock inside the car as well. Absolutely insane beast. I love the red, or I love the 16-cylinder engine in this car. Absolutely insane.